Welcome back to Easy English Girl Talk. We're so glad you're here for some listening and speaking practice.
Hello, I'm Emma, an American girl, a coffee addict, and someone who genuinely believes that a good moisturizer can fix almost anything. Almost. And I'm Lia, Brazilian, always running exactly 5 minutes late, and currently in a very serious relationship with my skincare routine. We are very committed to each other. I've witnessed this relationship. It's real. It's healthy. You're listening to Easy English Girl Talk podcast, and today we're going to talk about something every woman knows: skincare, confidence, and those days when you wake up and just think, okay, today is not my day. Yeah, those days. We all know them. And if you've ever spent 20 minutes doing your skincare routine just to feel a tiny bit more like yourself, this episode is for you. Okay, Lia, let's start honest. Can you describe a classic bad day for you? Walk me through it. Oh, absolutely. So I wake up, right? I look in the mirror and I think, who is this person? My skin looks tired. I feel tired, and suddenly everything feels just heavy. You know that feeling? I know exactly what you mean. It's like your confidence just disappears overnight. Exactly. And the worst part? It's not even about anything specific most of the time. It's just this feeling like you're not pretty enough, not productive enough, not enough. Like, not enough. That is such a real sentence. Yeah, like, I know it doesn't even make grammatical sense, but you understood it perfectly. I did, because we've all been there. And I think what makes it worse is that checking social media first thing in the morning is basically a trap. You wake up, you open Instagram, and suddenly you're looking at someone with perfect glowing skin at 7 a.m. and you think, why don't I look like that? She used 3 filters and a ring light. Definitely a ring light. Nobody's skin looks like that at 7 a.m. Nobody, not even her. But here's what I want to talk about, because I think we confuse 2 very different things. There's skincare as pressure, and there's skincare as a ritual, and they feel completely different. Ooh, can you explain that? Sure. Skincare as pressure is when you're doing it because you hate something about your face. You're trying to fix yourself. But skincare as a ritual is when you do it as an act of care. Like, I'm taking care of this body that carries me through life. That shift in thinking changed everything for me. Before, I would look at my routine and feel like it was homework, and now I feel like this is my 5 minutes. Just for me. No phone, no notifications, just me and my face. It's like a tiny personal ceremony. I wash my face. I apply my serum. I use my moisturizer. And for those 5 minutes, I'm not thinking about anything else. Just my skin and the smell. What does your moisturizer smell like? Like, self-respect. Wow, Lia, that's the best answer I've ever heard in my life. I'm serious. It smells like flowers and calm. And every time I use it, it's like a little signal to my brain, we're okay. We're taking care of ourselves. That's actually backed by science, by the way. Scent is very closely connected to memory and emotion. So, if you associate a smell with feeling calm and cared for, over time, your brain starts to relax, just from the scent alone. See? Science agrees with my self-respect moisturizer. Hey, real quick, if you're listening right now and thinking, I actually needed to hear this today, that means this podcast is for you. And if it's for you, please hit subscribe and leave a like. It helps us reach more women who need this kind of honest, relaxed conversation. And we have so much more to cover. We haven't even talked yet about what actually helps on those really hard days. The practical stuff. It's coming. Stay with us. Okay, bad days will always happen. That's just life. But what do you actually do? What are the small things that help you get through? Honestly, the first thing I do is lower my expectations for the day. I give myself permission to have a medium day instead of a great one. Oh, that's interesting. Say more. So instead of fighting the feeling, I should feel confident. I should feel motivated. Why don't I feel great? I just accept it. I say, okay, today is a medium day. I'm going to do the minimum, and that is fine. So you stop adding pressure on top of the bad feeling. Exactly. Because when you feel low and then judge yourself for feeling low, now you have two problems. That's so true. I do that. I have a bad day, then I feel guilty about having a bad day, then I feel worse, and then total spiral. Okay, so for me, and this might sound really small, making my bed helps. On the worst mornings, if I make my bed, I feel like I actually did something. One small win, that's not small at all. There's research that links making your bed in the morning to better mood and productivity throughout the day. See, I am basically a scientist, a very glamorous scientist with an incredible moisturizer. Wow, thank you. And the other thing I do, and this connects directly to skincare, is I do my routine even when I don't feel like it, especially when I don't feel like it. Why especially then? Because it's a message to myself. I'm showing up for myself even on the days I feel like disappearing. Does that make sense? That makes complete sense. It's almost like an act of loyalty to yourself. Yeah, that's exactly it. I think there's this idea that confident people are always confident. Like they wake up every morning feeling powerful and beautiful. And they definitely don't have bad skin days. Never. Perfect skin, perfect mood, always. But honestly, that's just not real. Confidence isn't a feeling you either have or don't have. It's more like a practice. A practice. Like going to the gym, kind of, yeah. You don't go to the gym once and get fit forever. And you don't do one affirmation in the mirror and become confident forever. It's something you come back to every day, even on the days it feels a little fake. Fake it till you make it. Iridi, but the healthy version, exactly. The healthy version is I'm going to act like someone who takes care of herself, even today, even when I feel terrible, because taking care of myself is an act of confidence. So doing skincare on a bad day is actually confidence training? 100%. Wow, I'm putting that on a poster. Please do. Okay, so what are we taking from today, Emma? Bad days are completely normal. They don't mean you're broken. Yes, and skincare can be a ritual, not a pressure. Just 5 minutes for yourself. Small things matter. Making your bed, doing your routine, giving yourself permission to have a medium day. And confidence is a practice. You come back to it every day, even on the hard ones, especially on the hard ones. So, if this episode made you feel even a little less alone, that's exactly why we make this podcast, because every woman deserves to hear you are enough, even today, even with tired skin and zero motivation, especially then. If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe to Easy English Girl Talk wherever you're listening. Leave us a comment, leave a like. It truly means the world to us, and it helps other women find this podcast too. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care of yourselves, inside and out, and please wear your sunscreen. Emma is very serious about sunscreen, non-negotiable. Bye, girls. Bye.